Good morning everyone on the channel. It's early morning over here in Denmark and it's really beautiful. Look at this. A mirror all the way around, so what's better than taking a shower right away while people are having their morning coffee and doing all kinds of funny things up there. So welcome, hit the like, subscribe button and we'll jump in the water. So stay tuned. This will keep you fresh for a while. You ready?
Good luck to you.
So this is where we're going.
This is your wake-up call.
Big wake-up call. It's cold too. It's only like 58 degrees or something. But anyway, let's go. It is definitely, if you feel you're alive. Well, back in the days, the Vikings, they were surviving all the mussels that's in this area. And I've just decided to go down and pick up a few and then we're going to steam them. We'll make it easy today, so it's going to be in basil, maybe a little garlic and then a beer. That's what we're going to do, so let's see how that works. But the mussels here are incredibly big and the water is not that clear today, but I know I'll be able to find a few. It's about 9 to 12 feet deep. Should be fine enough to go ahead and catch a few, and some big ones too. And then let's try it. So welcome to Catch, Cook and Clean with mussels on the menu. So hit the like, subscribe button and I will come back with some more videos later on. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's go hunting for some mussels on the sea bottom and see if there's anything there. There should be, so let's jump in. Oh, nice one. That's here. Er nogen af dem, der har fyldt?
Fint, hvor kan du lige tage gulvskrubber, hvordan der skrubber i, og sætte det i den røde pose?
Live mussels. So, everybody's cleaning mussels here. Some really nice ones too. Look.
This is why you brought me to Denmark.
Yeah, that's why I brought you to Denmark. You gotta catch some real mussels.
Okay.
Big ones. Now it's time to go and get some mussels divided up in 2 pots. And then there's some garlic over there with chili, some lime there, and should have been actually basil, but we didn't have any, so we're going to do thyme this time and then a little bit of barbecue sauce. That's all going to go down with a beer and get steamed up. It's almost time to put the beer in, but before that we put some barbecue sauce in both of them and some thymes as well. Now we're going to put some garlic in there too. That's kind of nice. Just put plenty in. I'm going to use the whole thing. All prepared here right on the docks, and in a second we're going to steam them up. So let's go ahead and take one of the beers, just a regular lager, and mix it up. one beer in each one of them, and you'll see it'll work actually pretty perfect. There we are, that was one. And then we're gonna go for the second one on this one over here. Keep it simple and it will be good. Just like that. The rest is going for the cook. Cheers. So we're back in the kitchen, and this is how it looks like. Getting steamed up in the beer, and it smells absolutely nice. So I don't know if you can smell it, guys, but it definitely is good. Right now the beer over there is actually boiling up. As you can see, it started steaming, and they do look extremely nice as well. They're big, they're really big. But let's give it another few minutes and it should be ready for eating. This is the first taste. They're really nice, these mussels. Oh. Had it good?
Mm-hmm.
It's good. We're gonna continue. Tell me what you think. Try one. Dinner served. Pig mussels.
Dinner? This is a buffet.
It's a buffet.
Send the honey dressing, du bruger det?
Ja.
Det ved jeg ikke.
They're big, huh? Is it good? No, no.
Okay.
There's one mussel that big, huh? Let's go ahead and try them. Yeah. Here you go. That's how they look like. Isn't it beautiful? And they come right out. With seaweed and everything. No, it's good. Good. Not bad. We have to say that was a success. So hi guys, that was the end of the video. Now we're consumed basically all the mussels. They taste absolutely perfect. I can recommend this for most of you guys. Go out and try it. Just make sure you're not allergic to them or anything else. It's absolutely a delicious little sea fish that you can catch there freely on the bottom. Go for the big ones, they're good, and they taste really neat. We didn't do anything but having beer and some let's say kind of sparsely different kind of flavors, and that was all we went ahead and put into the pots, and then we steamed them off. Anyway, it's really good. It's a nice lunch. Try it out there, all you guys. In the meantime, we're gonna have to do like a tree and leave. So until then, have a very great summer.